today, these three players are after big bucks, but they'll have to avoid the whammy as they play the most exciting game of their lives. From Television City in Hollywood, it's time to press your luck. And now, here's your host, the star of Press Your Luck, Peter Cymraeg.
Hi, thank you once again, Roddy, and hi, everybody. Welcome to Press Your Luck. We're going to have a great time today, I guarantee it. At least I'm going to have a great time. Oh, and I know the winner will have a great time. The other two people, well, we don't know. We'll have to talk to them and find out. Let's meet them right now, starting with our first player, Dorothy Hanson. How are you, Dorothy?
Just great. Great, Peter.
You come here to have a good time?
I did. I came to have a good time.
Where'd you come from, Dorothy?
I'm from Houston, Texas.
Way down in Texas.
And I'm fixing to win your money today.
You're fixing to win all the bucks. Well, good luck to you, Dorothy.
Thank you.
Good to have you with us. Our second player is Wayne Nakamura. How are you, Wayne?
Pretty good, Peter.
Good. Wayne, you're a weightlifter?
Well, I'm not a weightlifter, but I do exercise with weights.
That's, I can see you. Pretty broad shoulders.
Oh, it's a small jacket.
That's the trick.
Mm-hmm.
How long have you been lifting weights?
Oh, off and on about 10 years.
I see. How about lifting whammies? You ever lift a whammy?
I'm going to try.
Lift them and throw them out the window, right?
Yeah, if they get near me.
All right, Wayne. Good luck to you.
Thank you very
All
much.
right, third player is our champ, Joe Derry, with $34,880. Now, Joe, as you've played before, do you plan to get 3 whammies right away? Because that's the way you normally win.
Well, I like to make it a little exciting. Get them towards the end, get everybody worked up, you know,
Yeah.
and then win. Something like that.
Maybe you try this one the easy way?
Well, yeah, it's be a little easier on my heart.
I understand. Well, let's see how it goes. You ready?
Ready.
All right, you give me a multiple choice answer to these questions, you get 1 spin. You buzz in with the correct answer, you get 3 spins. Here's the first question. We've been told the average adult woman carries $29 in her purse. But according to 17 magazine, how much money will you find in the average teenage girl's purse? Dorothy?
85 cents.
Is it 85 cents, $5, or $10? Wayne?
I'm going to say $5.
What are you going to say, Joe?
What age was that?
Teenage.
Teenage, I'll say $10.
The average teenage girl carries $10 in her purse. And Joe gets himself a spin. $10. We've all grown up with neon lights, but can you tell me exactly what neon is? Dorothy?
Gas.
Is it gas, a plastic, or a current? Wayne?
It's a gas.
What do you think it is, Joe?
It's gas.
Neon is a gas. Dorothy, 3, Wayne a spin, and Joe to 2. Third question. Fill in the missing word from this song. Be it ever so what, there's no place... Dorothy?
Humble.
Be it ever so what, there's no place like home. Is it humble, quiet, or peaceful, Wayne?
Oh, it's humble.
What do you think it is, Joe?
Humble.
Be it ever so humble, there's no place like home. Dorothy 6, Wayne to 2, Joe to 3. You guys are on a roll. Here's the last question. This annual event provides the clothing stores on Beverly Hills Swank Rodale Drive with their second busiest time of year. What event is it? Dorothy.
January sale?
Is it the January sale, Easter, or the Academy Awards? Wayne?
It's a January sale.
What do you think it is, Joe?
January sale.
Rodeo Drive's second busiest time is the Academy Awards, gang. Dorothy stays at 6, Wayne at 2, and Joe at 3. And we're all coming back for bucks right after these words. Don't go away. We'll be back. You guys want some money?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, I got some up there. I got about 50,000 bucks. What do you think about that in cash and prizes? Pretty good? Well, there's only one slight little added goodie. It's called the whammy. What do you think? You think you want to meet the whammies?
No whammies.
Avoid the whammies today? Avoid the whammies? I don't blame you. But what you don't want to avoid is a trip. You don't want to avoid a trip, do you?
No.
Well, our own Bronc Buster Roddy is going to take us on one trip now.
howdy, partners. One of today's players could be taking in the Calgary, Canada Stampede. Here in the heart of Canada's cowboy country, you'll thrill to wild western excitement, not to mention the spectacular Canadian scenery. This 6-night visit to Calgary is worth over $1,000, and it's a whole bunch of fun.
All right, Calgary Stampede. Yeah, you want to win this round so you can play last in the final round. That's, of course, an advantageous position. 4 whammies put you out of the game, and you can pass your remaining spins if you so desire. Fewest spins first. Wayne with 2. You ready?
Okay.
Big bucks.
I got 2 spins. Let's make some big bucks on this. Come on. Here we go. Let's get some big bucks. Ready, and stop.
Stop at $400.
Okay.
First place, 1 spin, Wayne.
Okay, come on. Let's get the big bucks. Come on. Big bucks this time. Okay, here we go. Ready? Here we go, and stop.
Stop. Whammy. Okay, Wayne, no more spins, 1 whammy, no dollars. We now go to Joe with 3 spins. Ready, Joe?
I'm ready. Okay, let's go. Stay away, whammies. Big bucks, 1,500. Stop.
Stop at $250. First
All
place,
right.
2 spins,
All right.
Joe.
All right. Okay, big bucks now. 1,500, 1,500. Stop.
Stop at $550. That's
All right.
$800. 1 more spin, Joe. Press or pass.
Plan. I'm gonna press. Press my luck. Okay. No whammies.
Stop at Las Vegas.
Vegas.
A trip to
All
Las
right.
Vegas with $1,225. That's $2,025, Joe. You have first place, but we've got to hear from Dorothy, who's fixing to take all our money here on Press Your Luck. Dorothy, 6 spins.
Okay, here we go. Round and round and round, and I want it to stop on the big buck. Stop.
Stop at a telescope.
Telescope.
That's valued at $459. Dorothy, second place, 5 spins.
Take it. Okay, here we go. I want that trip to Calgary. The trip to Calgary. Stop.
Stop at 500 more. That's a
Okay.
959. Dorothy, 4 spins left, about 1,100 shy of Joe.
Okay, I'm going to press. Okay, I'm still looking for the trip to Calgary. Calgary. The trip to Calgary. Stop.
Stop at $400. You didn't win it because you couldn't say it. But you got $13.59, 3 spins, Dorothy.
Okay,
About
I'm
700
going
separates
to
you and Joe.
press on here. I still want that trip. That trip to Canada. Stop.
Stop. Whammy.
Give me all your money. Give back the money. Say, give me all your money.
Quite a group, huh, Dorothy?
I still have
Left you with 2 spins, however. You want to keep going?
I'm going to keep going.
All right,
I'm
looking
gonna
for
go
more
it.
bucks.
I'm going to go for it. I want some big bucks. Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at $300. You're in second place. You have 1 spin, $17.25 less than Joe. Press or
Okay.
pass.
I'm going to go.
Okay, looking for bucks.
All right. Big bucks this time. Big, big, big bucks. Stop.
Stop at $750 and a spin, $1,050. Still have your 1 spin.
All right.
About $975 less than Joe.
I'm going to go.
Here we go.
Go. Okay, come on. Come on, Canada trip. Here we go. Stop.
Stop at Calgary. There's a trip, Dorothy, with $1,144. Joe, 2025, Wayne, 0, and Dorothy, 2194. You got it, Calgary. We're coming right back after these words for a whole new round. All right, class, we're back in school. Keep your eyes on your own work. Are you ready for the questions?
Ah, yes.
Can you give me some answers? Are you going to give me some answers?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, here we go. Napoleon, Katharine Hepburn, and George Washington were all born with the same color hair. Tell us what the color is, Joe.
Blonde.
All right, is the correct answer blonde, brown, or red, Dorothy?
It's red.
What do you think it is, Wayne?
I think it's red.
They all had red hair. Dorothy, a spin, and Wayne, a spin. You know, I didn't know George Washington had red hair. To go with his wooden teeth. Yeah, that's quite a combination. Here we go with number 2. What automobile company is generally credited with inventing the assembly line? Wayne.
Ford.
Is it Ford, General Motors, or Chrysler, Dorothy?
I'd say Ford.
What would you say it is, Joe?
Ford.
The assembly line came from Ford. Dorothy to 2, Wayne to 4, and Joe a spin. spin. Number 3. What fraction of American men use electric razors? Wayne.
I'd say 1/2.
All right, is the correct answer 1/2, 1/4, or 3/4, Dorothy?
1/2.
What do you think, Joe?
1/2.
Electric razors shave 1/4 of the guys. 1/4. No spins. Well, give us a moan. Good. Yeah. I like moans. Okay. San Clemente was the site of the Western White House during which president's administration, Joe?
Nixon.
Is it Nixon's, Ford's, or Carter's, Dorothy?
Nixon.
What do you think, Wayne?
Nixon.
San Clemente was the Western White House during the administration of Richard Nixon. Yeah! Dorothy goes to 3, Wayne to 5, and Joe to 4. And we're coming up with big bucks after these words, so do not go away. Gigendo bucks, gang. Over $100,000 up there in cash and prizes. Hopefully no more whammies. But there are some trips. And our own Greek god, Rod Roddy, is going to tell us about one.
But of course I will, Peter. It could be the trip of a lifetime to the birthplace of modern civilization, historic Athens, Greece. And our lucky winners may be spending 6 nights and days visiting such marvelous sites as the world-famous Acropolis. It's beautiful Athens, and it's worth over $2,500.
Oh, a great trip. A great trip, I'll tell you. And when Rod loses that 100 pounds, actually it's down to 97 now, he's going to go to Greece. Am I right?
You're right.
Absolutely. All right, gang. That's where you want to go, too, because it's a great trip. And Dorothy, with $21.94, you'll play last. You earned it by winning round 1. And Wayne, $0, 5 spins. You're first. Big bucks.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right, Jeannie and I want to go to Athens. Come on. Let's watch it. Let's get some big bucks. We'll go to Athens with it. Ready, and stop.
Stop at 500 a spin.
Woo!
Third place, 5 spins, Wayne.
Okay, here we go again. Let's keep the luck going. See some big bucks. Come on. Ready, and stop.
Stop at 500 a spin, W bucks. $1,000, still 5 spins, Wayne. Third place.
Okay, let's go for 3. Come on. Let's see some big bucks. Come on. Ready, and stop.
Stop at a motorcycle, Wayne. That's worth $2,398. Brings you up to $33.98. First place, 4 spins.
Okay, we're gonna keep going.
All right.
Come on. Let's keep the luck with us. Let's go to Athens. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Ready, and stop.
Stop at 5,000 and a spin, Wayne. $83.98. 4 spins left. In first place by about $6,200. What do you want to do?
We're gonna keep going. We're gonna
keep
go.
going.
We're gonna
All
press
right,
our
here we
button.
go.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's do that one more time. Just one more time. Come on. Ready, and stop.
Stop at 5,000 and spin again. $13,398. Wayne, still 4 spins. That's about $11,200 more than Dorothy. How many more times do you plan to do that, Wayne?
If I pass them, they go to
They
Dorothy.
would go to Dorothy.
One more time.
One more
Let's go.
time, says Wayne. Press yours
Come
up.
on. Okay, one more 5,000. Here we go. Okay. Okay, ready, and stop.
Stop at 2,500. That's half. $15,898, Wayne. 3 spins, $13,704 more than Dorothy. What do you want to do with the money? Or what do you want to do with the spins? That's it. The money, you know what you want to do. Spins get passed to Dorothy. All right, here we go, Joe. It's on $2,025, 4 spins. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, here we go.
All right, we need 5,000 and a spin. 5,000 and a spin. Stop.
Stop at 500, 25. 3 spins left, second place, Joe.
5,000 and a spin. Got to have 5,000 and a spin. Very important. Stop.
Stop at 500 and a spin. 3,025, still 3 spins. Best of luck to pass, Joe.
Going.
Here we go.
5,000 a spin. 5,000 a spin. Here it comes. Stop.
Stop at 750. $37.75. 2 spins left. You've got about $12,000 worth of catching up to get to where Wayne is. 2 spins. Here we go.
I'm going. All right, give me big bucks. I gotta have big bucks. Stop!
Stop at Hilton Head, Joe. That trip to Hilton Head has a value of $2,572. $6,347. 1 spin left. You have about $9,500 less than Wayne and about $4,200 more than Dorothy. Second place. Pass the 1 spin to Wayne. Wayne, $15,898 is riding on 1 spin. You ready for it?
Yes,
Here
I
it
am.
comes.
Okay, come on, let's hold on. Come on, 5,000 again. Come on, we can do it. Come on, ready, and stop!
Stop. Whoa, Joe, you are vicious. Whoa, Dorothy. $21.94, it's up to you to tackle Joe.
Okay.
3 spins you have to take. Here you go, Dorothy.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Big bucks to go with the trip. Big bucks to go with the trip. Stop.
Stop at $500, $26.94. 2 more spins you have to take, Dorothy.
All right, here we go. 5,000. 5,000. And stop.
Stop at 4,000 in a spin. $66.94, first place. 1 more spin you have to take, Dorothy. Here it comes.
Woo.
You have to take it, Dorothy.
Okay. Another 5. How about a 5? Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at Switzerland. Dorothy, that trip to Switzerland is worth $3,672. That brings your total up to $10,366. You have 4 spins. You have about $4,000 more than Joe. Press your luck or pass.
Okay. If I pass him to
Joe.
If I pass him to Joe, does he have to take all 4?
Of course, always.
Okay, Joe, you got him.
You got him. Joe, 4 to you, $6,347. 4 spins you must take. Are you ready?
You betcha.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, Whammy, stay away now. Stay away. Need some big bucks. 5,000 to spend, 5,000 and stop.
Stop. Oh, Joe.
That hurts.
That did, but 3 spins. Now they're in the earn column, which means you can press your luck or pass because you whammied. What are you going to do with the 3 spins? Here we go.
Big bucks, stop.
Stop at $7.50 and a spin. You're back in the money. 3 spins, $7.50. Here we go again.
I'm going. Big bucks now. 5,000, 5,000, stop.
Stop at another whammy. This is 1 hole, Joe, that I don't know if you're going to get out of this one. You know? You have 2 spins left, $0, 2 whammies, and Dorothy's got $10,366. You got any particular strategy in mind? Pass the 2 spins to Dorothy.
Okay.
$10,366, Dorothy. Here
Okay,
comes the
here
first
we
spin.
go. I'm ready. I'm ready. Big bucks. Big bucks. Big bucks. Stop.
Stop at $2,000. Dorothy, you have $12,366. You have 1 more spin you have to take. If you can avoid the whammy, you'll win the game. If you whammy, all 3 of you will come back next time. Are you ready, Dorothy?
Okay, I'm
Big
ready.
spin. Wayne, Joe, you're back in the game. Here comes the big spin.
Okay. Big bucks. Big bucks. Come on. One more time. One more time. Stop.
Stop! The first time in the history of Press Your Luck, all 3 players come back next time, and Joe, it's all your fault.
Red.
We're back with today's big Press Your Luck winner, and it's Dorothy. No, it's Wayne. No, it's Joe. No, it's Dorothy, Wayne, and Joe. You all won today.
Hey.
And that means you all come back next time. That's the first time in the history of Press Your Luck that we've had 3 people return. And Rod doesn't have anything to say. Rod, do you want to say anything?
I'm speechless, Peter.
That is a rarity, folks. In any event, until next time when we see Dorothy, Wayne, and Joe in their own show, this is Peter Tomarken saying thanks for pressing